What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the power to walk confidently, stand tall, and climb stairs without hesitation could start to come back? Not from hours in the gym or painful workouts, but quietly, while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep. It all starts with one simple spoonful before bed. Not magic, not hype, just a science-backed nighttime routine designed for older adults who feel like their strength is slipping away a little more each day. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle. It happens gradually at first, a bit of stiffness, a little weakness, but after age 60, that process speeds up. Suddenly, getting out of a chair, going for a walk, or carrying grocery bags can feel like a challenge. And for many seniors, this loss of strength can lead to frustration, a fear of falling, and even social isolation. But here's the good news. This decline in muscle strength isn't just part of aging. It's reversible, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. The secret lies in understanding when and how your body rebuilds strength. Muscle isn't built during exercise. It's built during recovery, especially while you sleep. When you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. But to do that effectively, it needs the right nutrients. Without them, your body may continue breaking down muscle overnight, especially in your legs, which are the foundation of your mobility and independence. Here's what most people don't realize. During deep sleep, your body is in its most active repair mode. By giving it a slow-digesting source of protein, or a blend of nutrients that support muscle recovery right before bed, you can keep your muscles nourished for 6 to 8 hours straight, even as you rest. That's where the idea of one spoon before bed comes in. That one spoon could be a scoop of a slow-release protein like casein, or a simple natural mix you can make at home. Try warming up a small glass of milk or your favorite high-protein alternative and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. No chemicals, no pills, just a soothing bedtime drink that works for you while you sleep. As it digests slowly through the night, your muscles, especially in your legs, get a steady stream of amino acids, the essential building blocks your body needs to maintain and rebuild strength. And why focus on your legs? Because your legs are everything. They support your body, keep your balance steady, and protect you from falls. Weak legs can limit your freedom, but strong legs? They give you independence, confidence, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Now imagine building a simple nightly habit. One small drink before bed. You rest easy, knowing your body is working for you, not against you. In just a few short weeks, you may start to feel the difference. Standing up feels easier, walking feels smoother, and stairs don't seem so intimidating. That's not a miracle. It's your body finally getting what it needs. So here's how to start tonight. Before bed, pour yourself a small glass of warm milk or your favorite high-protein drink. Stir in your 1 spoon, either a scoop of slow-release protein powder or a homemade blend like turmeric and cinnamon. Sip it slowly, then get a good night's sleep. No gym, no hard workouts. Just one simple nightly ritual that gives your body the support it's been quietly asking for. 1 spoon every night. That's it.